Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we will be playing Pilot Training Flight Simulator. We will be flying a Airbus A330 which will be a Delta one that will be flying from Cyprus from Paphos in Cyprus to Greater Rockford International Airport. So let's get right in the video. I just keep my tripod. So there's our Airbus A330 and we just spawned it, and now we're gonna fly all the way to Greater Rockford. This is our Airbus A330, and now enjoy the video. This is also gonna be a cockpit. It's gonna be a cockpit view only video, except in altitude where we can go outside. By after takeoffs and landings, we will do cockpit view. So I'll try my best to do a butter landing, or if it does not do well, I will have to go a bit out. Cyprus was actually my first ever airport to spawn in this game, and then I flew it, and I flew an Emirates plane. I flew a Emirates plane to Rani, and when I did a very bad landing there, I didn't even land on the runway. I landed there on the taxiway. I saw they had 4 engine planes. So I flew the A340, and that was my first video with a 4-engine plane, and I did this with A340, one of my first videos, and that was a memory of my video. It's snowing because they've got a new update with the Pan American A747, and they've remodeled every plane for it to look better. So go check out the update. Or they also made it snow since it's Christmas. And inside the airport, if you go inside, there will be a Christmas tree there, because when I was at Orange or Tokyo Handia, there was a Christmas tree in the spawn point. This plane will be used by a stick this time. I never know if A340s could be used by a stick. I probably prefer using a steering wheel because it's more easier than using a stick. Mostly sticks you have to go like that, so it could be pretty hard. But on military jets it's pretty easy, because the time when I went inside one, they did have a stick there. I started to move it around and it felt very easy since it was a fighter jet. Good for sharp turns. But mostly it's better to use steering wheels on airplanes, because then you would have to go like that to steer, or to go like that to bring the front wheel up to butter. And that's what it does to land. This is like my steering wheel, but mostly like a stick, because same on sticks you have to go back like that. But this more matches with a stick, because when you want to do a butter landing, you go like that to lift up the nose, to do a nose lift. Oh, I just realized that I'm facing Rani. I will have to go outside view this time. That was where we said I have to face Greater Rockford. Steel close. Where is Greater Rockford? Grindavik. Greater Rockford. I didn't see it there. My eyes have a problem. I literally turned off the engine mid-flight. But we are in altitude, so I'm allowed to go outside cockpit view. Our altitude is gonna be 8,000 feet. My altitude used to be 3,000 or sometimes 4,000, but now it's 8. And sometimes with big planes I do 12. Most people who do pilot training first year and later do more of a 12 or 13,000. We're at 8,000, 9,000 actually. I know that is too high, but still good. Now we're reached altitude. So we are approaching Greater Rockford on the map, as you can see. So that's good news. Oh yeah, you can see the snow and everything. 202. We're slowly getting out of our altitude. I haven't really been to, I don't really go to Greater Rockford mostly. Mostly I go to Cyprus, RNG, Perth, and Isoli Rani. Maybe I should do a video. Wait, I think we had a bird strike. Yeah, we have a bird strike. Turn the engine off. I think we have to emergency land. Wait, let me say chat in chat. I requested an emergency landing. We have to do an emergency landing. Oh no. No. We need to turn the engine off. Turn the engine off. I think we'll have to do an emergency landing. Water landing, I think. We're requesting a water landing.
500.
Water landing.
300.
I'm gonna try pull up. I'm trying to pull up. I don't think we'll make it if we go on land. I'm requesting water landing. I'm trying to pull up as much as possible. Let me go cockpit view for this one because it's better.
Minimum 200.
Okay, we're approaching the ground quicker. We're almost at 70, 60, 50 feet, 50. Okay, we have to take out landing gear.
70, 60, 50.
Go, go, go. Escape, escape, escape. Go, swim, swim, swim. Go on the wing. Get on the wing. I'll get on the wing. Climb on the wing. Okay, I'm on the wing. I'm on the wing. I need safety. Oh, no, no, we're sinking, we're sinking, we're sinking. I'll swim, I'll swim. Swim to shore, swim to shore. Swim to shore. We're slowly approaching shore. I think that's a Concorde or Avro-Vulcan. Our plane fully sank. Whoa. Well, that was a very good video, guys. But thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.